After setting up the different elements of the Documents feature, you are ready to start using it. From the left-hand menu, click Documents. Click Upload Document. You can drag and drop the required file to the space on screen. Select a category from the drop-down menu and decide who to share this with. You can filter by team, position, or location, and either select employees individually or select all. Tick the options to ask to accept the document and notify by email if you wish to. Then when you are happy with these settings, click Upload. We now have the heading policy document and can expand this to see the item we have just uploaded. The eye icon will show who this is assigned to. You have the option to edit or delete it. For an employee, the document will appear as an outstanding task. The hyperlink will download a copy of the document for them, and they can approve or decline immediately from the My Tasks widget. The document can also be found in the employee profile in the Documents menu. When there has been activity on a document, this can be seen using the eye icon. It shows who has approved, who has declined, as well as those who are still awaiting approval. To create a signable document, from the top click Create Signable Document. Again, you can drag and drop the required file to the space on screen, then click Continue. Choose between having employees all signing the same document or signing their own copies. Specify who this document is for. Again, you can select all in one go or specify names individually. When you have selected everyone, click Continue. Drag and drop the fields you want on the signable document from the right-hand list. Then when you are happy, click Continue. Fill in an accompanying message. This will go on the email to all selected employees. Set a document expiry date, click Send Document. You can choose to send another signable document from the confirmation screen or return to the Documents page. Signable documents have a separate header that can also be expanded, with the option to see who this is assigned to, a preview of the document, and a button to delete. Like a normal document, a signable document will appear as an outstanding task. This time there is a button to view the document. This brings employees into the document with a marker indicating where to sign and date it. The options to enter the signature are Draw, Upload, or Type. Once the employee has chosen a method and signed, clicking Sign will take them back to enter the next field. For us, it is the date. With all information entered, click Submit to send this document. When there has been activity on a signed document, this can be seen using the eye icon. It shows a signed stamp next to the employees who have signed the document.